What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Today I'm going to do a first impression and unboxing of a relatively new thing. I guess almost no one else have heard about it. Do let me know in the comments if you have ever tried something from this brand, but the name of the company or the house is supposed to be Black Fragrances, and the name of the fragrance is Oud Implosion. Now, this is where things got a bit sketchy. As per their website, as per their Facebook page, it says Black Fragrances on the box right here. I don't know if the phone's gonna capture that. If you will see, it says Black Fragrances, but when I got the fragrance, it says just fragrances. I don't know what's up with this brand, about to find out. And it came in relatively cheap, so they had an offer, so it was like $65 per bottle, and you get buy one get one free. So I basically got 2 bottles for the price of one. Let's go ahead and unbox. And again, like I said, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me with keeping up with all the fragrance releases and to prepare all these informational videos for you. Now, of course, there's no note breakdown. I don't see anything over here. All I see is just fancy pictures. Now, of course, I have never smelled this thing, never seen this thing. Bottle looks very fancy in the website. About to find out what it is. So it's like a very generic kind of packaging. I wouldn't say it's super uber premium or anything. Does not feel good in the hands, honestly. Yeah, like inside it kind of like feels very cheap. I don't know how much the lighting is doing justice over here. Let's see. Let's look at the bottle. Okay, the bottle does look nice. I must give you that. I mean, the reason I'm showing it is because like how it says Black Fragrance over there and it says just fragrance over here. Oh god, I don't know if you can see it properly, but yeah, kind of resembles the bottle on the website. So let's see what it's about. There's absolutely no breakdown, so I'm just going in absolutely blind. I have no idea. Cap has some weight to it. It's plastic. Does lock into place, but somewhat. It looks finicky. The bottle looks nice though, but I don't know. It says black over there. It says just over here. Oh, I'll go on skin directly. Okay, alcohol blast up front. And if the light went out, it's been running for a long time. I'm sorry about that. That was no ghost. Okay, has this rose note up top. Some kind of a sweetness coming through. I don't know if it's like a citrus fruit, some kind of a fruity note. Could be peach, could be a mix of, let me see. Almost feels like lychee. I think I've smelled this somewhere. Almost feels similar to something, not exactly, but almost something. Although it says oud, I believe they tried to replicate that classic rose and oud combination. I think smells really good though. But honestly, kind of feels more on the I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm sorry about that. Maybe I'll stand here and you can see it. Not sure how much I'll reach for this fragrance because it has a bit more feminine tendency to it. It's potent, has some kind of like a creamy thing going on in the background. I'm safely guessing sandalwood, creamy sandalwood. There's some kind of like a sharp edge to it, almost like that if you have raspberry in a fragrance. definitely has some kind of a raspberry thing going on. It kind of like hits at the back of the throat, like you get that sharp edge, a rough edge. But honestly, overall, it does smell elegant though, does not smell cheap. I'm not sure about longevity though, but see, like the number of sprays you did, go back, look at how many I did. I totally forgot, but yeah, it did leave a like a very thick layer of oil on my arm, on my hand here. Slowly opening up. It's smelling better now. Maybe I will I'll definitely put this thing on to test. Like I will put this thing to test. This is Oud Implosion. It was supposed to be black fragrances. I don't know why it says just fragrances, but yeah, that was the brand name, and it's an eau de parfum concentration, says right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. It's a round bottle and this light is probably not doing justice. Overall has this nice DNA to it. I'll definitely do full wearings and get back to you guys. So until the next one, please do stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like icon too, because it helps me. It really helps me keep up with all these purchases and everything. And I really appreciate all your love and support towards my channel. A humble thank you to everybody. So that was Oud Implosion. I don't know if you've ever heard about this brand or fragrance. Do let me know in the comments if you've ever tried it. But so far it's smelling nice now. It's smelling better. I might end up liking it. It has that like slight Middle Eastern vibe too. But slight, not too much. And the oud, I believe it's way more toned down. It's not skanky or smoky or anything. It's very subtle. It's very nice. It's smelling better and better over time. Yep. So guys, although the name mismatched, but I'm happy. And I've got a spare bottle now. So that was Oud Implosion. Until the next one, guys, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.